7 minus 2 squared is 25 minus 3, it is 22 times 4, it is 88, okay, and divided by 2 is 44 plus 1 equals 45. Do you think that's the right answer? No, that's not the right answer because you fell for a trap and you missed the order of operations. So pause the video and think about it. What is the correct order of operations? So whenever we have a sequence of operations, you should follow the exact order of operations. That's called something called PEMDAS. So that's an acronym so you can memorize it in a better way. So you should exactly follow something called PEMDAS, and P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, and S for subtraction. And this shows a vector of priority or precedence. So it means that brackets, parentheses, curly brackets, they all have the highest priority. And all the way down to addition and subtraction, which have the lowest priority. But keep in mind, very, very important thing, multiplication and division, they have the same precedence, the same priority. So you should do them and you should evaluate them from left to right. So whichever comes first. So you can't say multiplication always have higher priority. No, that's not the answer. That's not right. So with this in mind, with PEMDAS, let's do this original problem now. So do we have parentheses according to PEMDAS? Yes, we do. We have the parentheses. So we must evaluate the parentheses at first. So inside the parentheses, 7 minus 2. So again, 5 squared minus 3 times 4 divided by 2 plus 1. Oh, it's a long, nasty one. Again, now we got rid of the parentheses. We evaluated that. What's next according to PEMDAS? It's exponents. Do we have exponents? Yes, we do. We should get rid of exponents and evaluate it again or second after parentheses. 5 squared, 25 minus 3 times 4 divided by 2 plus 1 equals. So can we say, okay, 25 minus 3? No, we can't because we have multiplication and division. According to PEMDAS, they have higher priority. So we should do them at first, but which one? Multiplication or division, whichever comes first. So from left to right, it doesn't matter which one comes first. So again, 25 minus 3 times 4 is 12 divided by 2 plus 1. We have another higher priority operation. We have division. 25 minus 12 divided by 25 minus 12 divided by 2 is 6 and plus 1. Now we just have addition and subtraction, and you can just go from left to right. So 25 minus 6 is 19, and 19 plus 1 is 20. And that's the correct order of operations according to PEMDAS. Now, your mission, should you choose to accept it, is, so what would the answer be if we had, let's say, 2 plus 1 inside a parenthesis? So make sure to drop your answer in the comments below, and please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. See you on our next video.